my dear students, welcome to Vidya Aradhana Academy. Myself Tirupati Mantani, Faculty of Organic Chemistry. I completed my MSc from IIT Madras. For the last 6 years, I was in Shahu College, Latur. Now, I want to connect with huge crowd to give the best. That is why I have joined in Vidya Aradhana Academy. Okay, right. Now I'm going to discuss one of the most important concepts in organic chemistry, that is addition reactions. So first of all, what are the addition reactions? What are the addition reactions? And how these reactions will come in examination? And how can we solve these problems in very less time? Okay, right. So what are the addition reactions? The combination of one molecule with another molecule to give the product is called as a addition reaction, like 1 + 1 = 2. Okay, right? These addition reactions are classified into 3 types. One is electrophilic addition reactions, the second one is nucleophilic addition reactions, and the third one is free radical addition reactions. I'm not going to discuss all these things. I'm giving just examples of some of the addition reactions. Okay, right. Look at here, I'm going to take one example. CH2 double bond CH2. If I add hydrogen gas to this alkene in the presence of catalyst, one catalyst, will give this product. Right? So there is one more addition reactions, that is halogenation. CH2 double bond CH2 plus X2 in the presence of solvent. Will give this compound, where X is halogen atom, F2 like F2, Cl2, Br2 or I2. Okay, so this hydrogenation, this is called as a hydrogenation reaction, and it is halogenation reaction. This hydrogenation, it is syn addition reaction. It is an example of syn addition reactions, and it is anti-addition reactions. Okay, how do we know whether it is syn addition or anti-addition? So this you can know from the mechanism. Okay, so I'm not going to discuss the mechanism of these reactions. I'm going to give you the best tricks to solve in less time. Okay, so these are the very, very simple examples. Everybody can solve these problems. This is very simple. Everybody can write these products. But this type of questions will not come in main examination. So in main examinations, which type of questions will come? That we will discuss now. Okay, if you know this syn addition and anti-addition, if you know this information, you can solve any problem. Okay, right. Now, if you take this example, CH2 if you take this cis alkene, this is cis alkene. Why it is cis? Both are same side. This the like atoms are same side, it is called as a cis alkene. Okay, it is called as cis alkene. It is cis alkene. This you will study in geometrical isomerism. Those who don't know whether it is cis or trans, don't worry, that you will study in geometrical isomerism. Okay, right. The cis alkene, and we are adding hydrogen gas. It is syn addition reaction. Okay. So what is the product? What are the products? You will get two products, and in examination, how they will ask this reaction. So in this reaction, what are the final products and what is the relationship between them? What is the relationship between these two? ऐसे पूछते exam पे. Okay, right. So how to solve this problem in very, very less time? I'm going to give you the best trick. Okay, if you know this, you can solve any problem. Look at it. If you take place into place, what you will get? And place into minus, what you will get? And minus into place, what you will get? And minus into minus, what you will get? If you know these simple mathematical rules, you can solve not only these addition reactions, but also elimination reactions in very, very less time. Okay, right. So plus into place, place. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into place, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Everybody know this. Everybody know these simple mathematical rules. Okay. Now I'm going to apply these simple rules to solve this problem in very, very less time. In fraction of seconds, you can solve this problem. You can find out the product. Okay, right. Right? Look at here. So what is the place? If the atoms are same side, if this deuterium and this deuterium, if they are same side, take plus sign. Okay? Syn addition. For syn addition, take plus sign. What is syn addition first of all? Addition of two atoms from the same side is called as a syn addition reaction. Addition of these two hydrogen atoms from the same side to the double bond. Addition of these hydrogen atoms to this double bond from the same side is called as a syn addition reaction. So if it is same side, take plus sign. If it is opposite side, take negative sign. Bas. Okay. So plus, both are same side, so take plus sign. And it is syn addition, take plus sign. What is this? So plus into plus equal to plus. So what does it mean? इसका मतलब क्या होता है? These two deuteriums will come same side in the product. These two deuterium atoms will come same side in the product. Look at, I'm going to write the products now. Look at here. So what are the P1 and P2? We will see now. This is CH3, no? Yes, it is CH3 and it is also CH3. How many carbon atoms are there in this alkene? 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at here. 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. This is the one of the representations of organic molecules that you will study in stereoisomerism. Okay, right. So look at here. These two deuteriums are same side, right? The same side. Deuterium. And the remaining, what we are adding here? Hydrogen atoms, right? Hydrogen atom here, hydrogen atom here. Okay, so this is one of the products. What is another product? Look at it. This is the alkene. It is alkene. It is a planar molecule. What is the hybridization of this carbon? It is sp2 hybridized. AB sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay. This hybridization again you will study in GOC. General Organic Chemistry में up you can learn in General Organic Chemistry. Okay, right? So sp2 carbon, so it is a planar geometry. It is a planar geometry like this. This is a planar geometry. It is a planar. So this is the hydrogen gas. This hydrogen gas, it can attack to this alkene from both sides. It can attack from right side. It can also attack from left side, right? It can attack from right side, it can attack from left side. For example, if there, imagine there is one big hall, there are two rooms. Sorry, in a big hall there are two entries. From left side there is entry and right side also there is entry. You can enter into the hall from left side as well as right side. Same. In the same, you can enter from both sides. Yes or no? Like that. In the same way, this hydrogen gas, it can attack to this alkene from two sides, from right side and left side. Okay. If a hydrogen gas is attacked to this alkene from left side, you will get this one. Okay. And what is another product? If it attacks this alkene from right side, HH, and you will get this product. You will get this product. So what is the relation between them? What is the relation between them? Okay. So the relation between them is identical. The relation between them is identical. Why it is identical? That you will understand in stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism. Okay. Right? I'm not going to discuss all these things now. I'm telling how to write the final products. How to write the final products. Okay. Look at it. Simple. If they're same side, take plus sign, and it is in addition, take plus sign. So plus into plus equal to plus. So they are same side. These two, the circled atoms will come in same side. The circled atoms will come to same side. Okay. So take one more example. Take one more example. If you add halogen, for example, chlorine, if we add in the presence of solvent, what you will get? And which addition it is? Halogenation is anti-addition. If you know this much information, you can write the product, right? So again, these two atoms are same side, so take plus sign. And it is anti-addition. What is the anti-addition? The addition of these two atoms in the opposite direction. One chlorine is attacking from downside and the other chlorine is attacking from upside. Okay. So opposite sides. Okay. So it is negative sign. We have to take negative sign. If both are same side, take plus. If they are opposite side, take minus. Okay. So plus into minus. Plus into minus equal to minus. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? This minus nothing but these two hydrogen atoms will come in opposite direction. These two hydrogen atoms will come in opposite direction, right? Look at here. Again, there are 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. Okay, so this is a Fischer projection, and that you will study in stereoisomerism. Don't worry about this, right? CH3, CH3. Okay, and these two hydrogen atoms will come in opposite direction because of minus. इधर एक hydrogen, इधर एक hydrogen. ठीक है, इधर एक Cl, इधर एक Cl. What is another product? Here you have written chlorine left side. Now right side. ठीक है, हाँ, H and H. So what is the relationship between them? What is the relationship? This is the final products. And the relationship that you will study in stereoisomerism. And the relationship between them is enantiomers. They are enantiomers. Okay. The equal amounts of enantiomers is called as a racemic mixture. Okay. Again, what is the racemic mixture? All these things you will study in stereoisomerism. Okay. Those who don't know what are the enantiomers, what is the racemic mixture, and what is the anti-addition, don't worry. All these things we will cover in reaction mechanism and stereoisomerism. Right? Right. Or take one more example. Take one more. Now you tell me. You tell me now. And if we add Cl2 gas, Cl2 in the presence of solvent, in the presence of solvent, find out the final product and what is the relationship between them. This type of questions will come in main examination. Okay, right? Solve this. How to solve this problem? Very easy, na? Right? Make it. Both are not same. A hydrogen and a deuterium, they are not same. Make it circle. The circle atoms are same side. Yes or no? The circle atoms are same side. So take plus. Take place. And it is anti-addition, so take minus. So plus into minus equal to minus. That means these two atoms will come in opposite direction. These two atoms will come in opposite direction, like this. Okay? एक hydrogen, एक deuterium. They will come in opposite direction. So what we are adding here? Chlorine gas. So two chlorines. Is there a chlorine? Is there a chlorine? Plus. Now here I have written chlorine right side. Now right on left side. ठीक है? Left side. ठीक है? इसमें क्या? Deuterium. इसमें hydrogen. क्या? CH3 and CH3. देखिए इतना आसान है. You can write any product with the help of this simple mathematical trick. Right? So take one more example. Take many more examples. You can take any one. Double bond if you suppose if you take CH3 here and if you take C2H5 here, ethyl है, this is methyl. ठीक है? ये hydrogen है, this is take hydrogen, whatever it is. If you add Cl2, if take trans, otherwise 1 minute. If you take transalkene, hydrogen, if you take here C2H5, okay, and add Cl2 gas, so what you will get in the presence of solvent? Tell me, find out quickly. A hydrogen, this is a hydrogen, right? These two hydrogen atoms are opposite sides, so take minus. And chlorine is anti-addition, so take again minus. The minus into minus equal to plus. They will come in same side. Okay? The plus, these two hydrogen atoms will come same side, H and H. So what we are adding here? Chlorine. So Cl, HCl here, right? And here CH3 and niche C2H5. C2H5. This is one product. What is another product? So here we have written Cl left side. Now write it on right side. Okay? Plus right. Are they identical? They are not identical. They are not identical. They are enantiomers. They are enantiomers. Why they are enantiomers? You don't know, na? So don't worry. This we will study in stereoisomerism. Okay? Right. So the equal amounts of this enantiomers is called as racemic mixture. It is called as racemic mixture. Racemic mixture. Okay? Right. Take one more example. If you take cyclic compounds, CH3, double bond, right? And add to this hydrogen. Okay? So here these two methyls are same side. Yes or no? These two methyls are same side. So take place. And it is in addition, so take place. Plus into plus equal to plus. That means both hydrogen atoms are same side and these two methyls are same side. How to represent this in cyclic form? So this is how we can represent. This is a thick bond. Okay? This is the thick bond. And this is thick bond. This thick bond indicates above the plane. And dotted bond indicates below the plane. Okay? A methyl are same side. So plus no place. That means these two methyls will come in same side. AB above the plane, AB above the plane, like this. Both are same side. Okay? Right? This is one product. What is another product? write down. If the hydrogen gas is added from above the plane, so this hydrogen is added from above the plane, hydrogen इधर आएगा and methyl will come downside, ठीक है, and the hydrogen will come above the plane and methyl is below the plane, ठीक है. So what is the relationship between them? They are identical. They are identical. They are identical. Okay. So I'm repeatedly telling you what are the identical compounds and what are the enantiomers and what is the racemic mixture and what is the syn addition and what is the anti-addition and what is the diastereomers. All these things we will cover in our regular classes in reaction mechanism. Okay, right. Take one more example. Take one more example. Place, now to this add chlorine gas in the presence of one solvent. In the presence of one solvent. So what will you get? Again, देखिए अभी methyl, methyl, they are same side to this double bond. So take plus sign and it is anti-addition. No, it is anti-addition, right? So कौन सा sign? Minus. Plus into minus equal to minus. That means these two methyls will come in opposite side. One methyl is above, other one is below. Okay, right? So write the product. One methyl is above. One methyl is above and the other one is below. Other one is below. Either CH3 है, either एक CH3 है. And what we are adding chlorines? No, one chlorine will come here. Okay, so one is below and the other one is above. Okay, other one is above. Because of this negative sign, because of minus, they will come in opposite side. Right? So what is another product? Same, in the same way. If here chlorine is below the plane, now write it on above the plane. Write it on above the plane. Cl and here methyl is below the plane. Okay. And here Cl is below the plane and methyl is above the plane. Methyl is above the plane. Right? So here what is this below the plane? There is one projection. There is one projection in organic chemistry, that is wedge projection. Okay. This wedge projection, in a wedge projection at sp3 carbon atom, there are three types of bonds. One is normal bond and one is dotted bond, other one is thick bond. Okay? So and all these things, don't worry, all these things we will discuss in stereo isomerism. Okay? Right. So again, what is the relation between them? Are they identical? Are they enantiomers? Are they diastereomers? What is the relationship between them? The relationship between them is enantiomers. Enantiomers. And the equal amounts of enantiomers is called as racemic mixture. Racemic mixture. Right? Understand, no? Right? And the same concept, the plus into plus into minus, minus into plus, minus into minus plus. The same mathematical rules we can apply in elimination reactions as well. Okay? So how can we apply those rules in elimination reactions? That we will discuss in next lecture. Okay? Thank you very much.